Hey guys, so today I will show you the best AI tool that will remove all the noise and all the wind, all the sounds in your videos or in the backgrounds of your video or audio. So here it is basically called Enhanced Speech version 2. So maybe soon there will be a version 3, but right now this is the best speech enhancement tool that is available. In my opinion, I haven't seen anything better. So this is Adobe. Made by Adobe. So first of all, let's hear the video. So I'm pressing play and this will be the original sound. So I would do much better in this space. That's why don't fade early narratives. Also ordinals. So you basically hear the wind, and let's put on the enhanced version. I would do much better in this space. That's why don't fade early narratives. Also, ordinals will go insane in this next bull run euphoria. Don't fade ordinals, although I have been fading them for the last. So right here, you just listen and you hear that the whole background noise, the basically wind is removed. So it basically does a perfect job of removing background winds. But if you talk about noise, just for example, here I'm talking, but basically walking next to a sea, and the original audio is basically sounding like this. So let's hear it. There will be so much drama, so much BS in the counting, in the voting, and that's the sweet spot, the best. And now let's push the enhance button. So right here, you will see. You will hear the audio without any background, so let's hear it. Counting is done. There will be so much drama, so much BS in the counting, in the voting, and that's the sweet spot, the best timing, because I think that's the time when every political meme coin will pump like crazy. And this is most likely my last meme coin play, because... So you just heard how much better the sound is with this tool, and the only thing is that this costs around $12 a month, but this is worth it if you're using it regularly, or if you have some important work to remove noise or remove sounds in the background, you can use this tool. This is insane tool, and not many people know about it. That's why I want to make a video. You can basically upload any video or any audio. It will take all the background noise or just a wind, and yeah. That's the best tool I know about. Only thing that it is paid version, $12 a month. But yeah, again, if it's worth it, you will pay $12. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I will be making more AI tool videos, because I haven't seen anyone talking about these tools. And yeah, these are really, really helpful. And there are so many more tools that I want to talk about music making, image making, basically all kinds of AI stuff that I don't see anyone talking about. That's why if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification and you don't miss out on new tools like these ones. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.